mal-Kaptan tal-Vapur hawnhekk. Captain, what happened? The accident? The ship aground?
Actually, we are in Anchorage area 1, very near to the coast, so
What time happened? What time it was?
around after 6:30, around is between 6:30 to 7 o'clock, like that. Exactly, I don't have updated exact time because rough weather. So we was in Anchorage area, was a well condition. Suddenly is a storm coming as a cyclone, as like us. Within 2-3 minutes, vessel with the anchor hitting the rock.
You didn't have time to switch on the engine?
No, have to. Only 2-3 minutes is
2-3 minutes you went
because
to the
I
shore.
need time to engine start. Engine was a standby, but to even a standby also to need 10 to 15 minutes to start the engine. My engine condition is good, but need time to start engine. But within 2 to 3 times, maximum 4 minutes, like that is roughly. So finish everything. It's like hitting the rocks.
And you was injured, yes?
Yeah, I am injured.
In the accident?
Yeah.
Your shoulder?
Yeah, now I often just like.
You've been to hospital?
Yeah.
Malta?
Yeah.
Now what's your appeal to the authorities? What you waiting for now?
No, I am not waiting for anything. I just like to go home, that's it. We already given sign up previously also. We are all crew like to go home, that's it. And I appreciate
with your agent you discussed?
Yeah, already. Yeah, everybody in Fourth Authority will understand. I like to appreciate for all the Coast Guard, BTS Malta, Fort Control, everybody, and communicate with me of that during that times. So when I left the vessel, Harbour Master was there with the rough weather also. So I appreciate. Thanks for all.